friends, we are back again with Skills 3, Lesson 2. We are going to begin with our warm-up activity, oral blending. You're going to listen to my sounds, then say my sounds, and then we're going to say the word together. Okay, so listen first and then say it second. Remember to do your shoulder, elbow, and wrist like we have been doing, and then sweep down to blend the word together. Here we go. S, oop. Say those sounds. S, oop. Soup. The word is soup. Next sounds. Ish. Say those sounds. Ish. Fish. The word is fish. Listen to these sounds. Eat. Say them with me. Eat. Meat. The word is meat. Listen to these sounds and then say them with me. Rice. Say them with me. Rice. Rice. The word is rice. Listen to these sounds. Ch, ease. Say them with me. Ch, ease. Cheese. My word is cheese. Next sounds. J, oo. Say them with me. J, ooze. Juice. My word is juice. Listen to these sounds. B, eve. Say them with me. Sorry, excuse me. B, eve. Beef. Good job. My word is beef. Listen to these sounds. Ache. Say them with me. Ache. Cake. My word is cake. Next, who remembers what this sound is? We just learned it yesterday. My sound is Make the picture of the sound in the air for me. Let's do it again. And we are going to do this a few times. Down, hump, hump. Remember? And we're going to say the sound every time. We're going to pause right here, and you can practice saying that sound and writing it in the air with your child and pick back up when you're ready. Our new sound for today is ah. Say that sound, ah. Make sure that you are forming your mouth correctly. You can tell your child to look at your mouth when you're saying sound. That's what I do in class. I say, look at my mouth. And we're going to go, ah. Your mouth has to be all the way open, and you press your tongue down, ah. Okay, now say these words after me. At. Apple. Add. Those sounds for ah are all at the beginning. Now listen to these words because this sound is going to be somewhere different. Mat. My ah sound is in the middle of that word. Listen to this one and say it after me. Math. Say it again. Math. The ah sound is in the middle. Mad. It's in the middle. Mad. This is the ah sound. It's the picture of the sound. And I want you to do the same thing like we did yesterday. If you hear the ah sound at the beginning of the word, not in the middle, at the very first sound you hear, then I want you to raise your hand, okay? Listen to the word and then say it after me. Add. Yes, does have the ah at the beginning. Mit. Correct. Does not have the sound. At. Yes, it does. Good job. Keep it going. Let's try this one. After. Correct. That one does. Listen to this one and then say it after me. Bit. Nope. Doesn't have the ah sound. Good job. Okay, so let's listen to this one. Attic. Attic. Say that one. Yes, it does have the ah sound at the beginning. Y'all are doing a great job. Number 7. Listen and then say it. Act. Correct. It does. Outstanding. Kit. Right. It does not have the ah sound. Apple. Yeah, I like apples too. Apple. Good job. Yes, it does. It. Correct. It does not have the ah sound. Egg. Right again. No ah sound. Last one. Axe. Axe. Yes, it does. Good job. Now it's going to be time for us to write the picture of our sound. Remember, we're trying not to call them letters, but we're going to say that how we spell the sound is A. This is the sound ah, and it is spelled A. To write the sound A, okay, to write the sound ah, you draw a circle only to the dotted line, and then you pick up your pencil and you put it at the dotted line, at the top of the dotted line, and draw a straight line to the bottom line. This straight line has to touch your circle, otherwise it's just a circle and a line. If your line doesn't touch your circle, it will not be the ah sound, okay? This is the ah sound, and it's spelled A. You are going to do page 2.1 in your workbook, and then remember, when you're doing the pictures, only if it starts with ah, you're going to write the ah sound underneath it. Like, oh, I am going way down here. Sorry about that. This is an astronaut, okay? This is a bed, alligator, apple, flower, and axe. And then that will be the end of our lesson for today. Hopefully I got better this time. This is only the second time I did this one, and hopefully by lesson 3, 4, and 5 for this week, then we will be doing much better. See y'all tomorrow.